again everyone for phonics, and guys, what we're going to do is we are looking at our worksheet that looks like this. It's some phonics and some language all together, and what we are learning about today are homophones. We've done these a few times in our lessons before, everybody, and they can be quite tricky. So try and listen carefully and see if you can remember what each thing is. So remember, everybody, homophones are words that sound the same, but they mean different things. They sound the same, but they've got different spellings and different meanings. So let's read our first word, shall we? Blue, blue. Like I blew some bubbles. And then you also get the color blue. Choose. We chew our food, or we choose something. I'd rather have that chocolate, please, or I'd rather have that sweet, please. Then we've got a U. Now, that's quite a tricky, guys. It's an E, a W, and an E. We say it as a U sound, a U sound. A lady sheep is what we call a U. And when we're talking about, when someone's talking to you, they'll say, hey, you, I like you. And you're going to make sure that you match up your right words to the right things. Then we've got new. It's got a silent kicking king. So we only hear the N sound, but the K is quiet. New. I knew you were going to come and see me, or I knew you were going to come and visit me. And then if something is brand spanking new, everybody, we've got a N and a U sound, which is our E-wa, new. And our next one is through. I threw my frisbee, through. And the last one is like if a dolphin jumps through a hoop. It's got quite a long sound. It's got the a, h sound. And for the bottom of your page, everybody, you're going to make a nice, juicy, interesting sentence with blue and the color blue. So make it a nice, juicy one. Try and make it something that makes sense. But they must both try and use both words in one sentence. Try use both words in one sentence. And the last ones, you've got new and new. So you've got new, like you knew something, like you knew someone was going to do that, and new, like something is brand spanking new. You can make a nice juicy sentence with both of those words. All right. But if it's very tricky, everybody, don't worry. I'm more than happy for you to write one sentence with blue, like whoo, or one sentence and another sentence with just the color blue. So if you'd like to rather just write two sentences for those words, that's also okay. Or once you get to the bottom as well, if you'd like to write one sentence for new and like I knew something, and one sentence for brand new, you can do that too, rather than putting them in one sentence if that's a little bit tricky. Then next thing is we're adding some ing to our words, everybody. If we've got a short vowel sound, everybody, a short vowel, remember our vowels are A, E, I, O, U, A, E, I, O, U, or they look like an A, O, A. A, O, A. All right. Like our first word, for example, when we have to sound it out, is L and land. Now we're going to change them into some action words, everybody. Right. I land. I am landing in the aeroplane. I'm landing. Our next word is pick, picking. I can see the chicken picking. It's picking. Hissing. I can hear the snake hissing. Then we've got rolling. I am rolling some dice, or I am rolling some pastry. Then we've got hunting. My dad likes to go hunting sometimes and go and look at all the animals. And then our next thing, guys, is if a word has a short vowel sound and only one consonant, then we double the consonant and we add ing. So if it's got a short vowel sound, guys, and only one consonant, then if it's got one consonant and then we double the consonant and we add ing. Okay, so when our words are short like that, guys, let's look at it. Clap. It's a nice short vowel sound and it's only got one consonant. So we say to ourselves, right, we're going to write down clapping. So we have to write down a k, l, a, p, ing, clapping. And you're going to do all of those for me. Don't forget, for those short vowel sound words, make sure that you always double your last sound and add ing. All right, everybody. And I have given you some handwriting to practice, everybody. Try and remember to leave some spaces between your letters and write as neat as you can write, and make sure that you use your speckled lines to guide you. Remember, our short letters sit nice and cozy, touching the bottom of the straight line and touching the top of our speckled lines, and our tallies touch the top of the line and the bottom. So our capital letters and our tall letters touch the top of the line and the bottom of the line, and we've got our little speckled line in the middle. Try and write as neatly as you can write. I've got some lowercase letters and some capital letters, and I've got some words for you to try and see if you can copy correctly and write neatly. All right, and enjoy your story, everybody. Goodbye.